welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bag collection video for you guys. I've done a couple shoe collection videos already, so I thought it would be time to show you guys my bag collection. And I am also going to be doing a little unboxing here of a Teddy Blake bag, which is the sponsor of today's video, but I'm very excited because I got a couple basics. This is a little mini black one. I also got a little mini white one, which I was wanting so bad. So I'm gonna unbox this real quick. I've been waiting to do it for this video and it's just been sitting in my room taunting me. So let me see how on camera I can do this. Okay, so here is the box. Let's get to the bag. Here it is. So as you can see, it's very mini, not super mini. I've seen some of those actually mini bags like this big. This is like a normal mini bag. Ooh, so cute. Oh, so pretty. It also comes with this little duster in here, which is really soft and nice. I've been keeping my other one in its duster, which I will show you real quick. I'm actually gonna grab the other one. Okay, so we're kind of starting the bag collection video, I guess, early, but I just want to show them both at the same time from Teddy Blake because they're both so cute. So I'm just gonna show you this one here, and it's so pretty. So I got white and black. How basic am I right now? But honestly, I really needed some staples like this, and I am really excited. This one has silver hardware on it, and this one has gold hardware on it. I am kind of a fan of both ever since I got my Louis Vuitton, which is in gold hardware. I usually always used to be partial to silver hardware, but now I like both because I have jewelry in all different colors. Anyways, stay tuned to see these on. So, without further ado, please enjoy my bag collection video. you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions for me down in the comments, and check out my Instagram if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.